Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use TD investing account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, you have to simply access your browser of your computer and simply type in td.com/ca/den/investing. I'll make sure to drop the link as well, so it will be easy for you to access this. Once you're over here, you will be able to have the simply insight regarding direct investing account. So for that, the very first thing is simply for you to access this particular browser. And if I go back a bit, I will be able to find this kind of interface which lets us have this option of open an account and sign in. So basically, TD Direct Investing account, it lets you simply invest, buy stock, trade options, and you can simply manage your earning that way. I will suggest you guys to simply go through it accordingly if this is the first time you're going to use it. Other than that, if you're a TD Bank's user, you can tap on sign in, enter your credentials and log in, and can simply follow the further steps. Or you can simply tap on this open account. If you do that, it will simply give you a video on top. If you play it, you will be able to have a further insight regarding the account types that you can open within the TD Direct Investing. But if you scroll down a bit, you can see we can help you find the account that fits. Check out our options is already given here. If you already have an account, tap on get started today. This will let you have more steps regarding the investing, how you can earn. But if you haven't created an account, you can also scroll down, choose an account type. You can simply choose to tap on this apply online, where you will be able to apply for this particular account, and you will have to provide all of the information as it asks. But simply, you can also choose to ask them questions right over here, but you can also choose to go to the nearest branch of theirs and contact them regarding the information. And other than that, you can also choose to contact them by going over any of these platforms. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.